Hi, I'm just doing a little wander around the marina down here in the port of Mazarron, just to let you see how beautiful it is down here. And this is near all the properties that I show you on my channel. Just behind me, if I go this way, you can hire jet skis and that for the summer. And you can hire boats and you can go out on a boat and around the islands and that. It's really nice. So do take a holiday down here. You might just be surprised and might like to live here because it's not built up or anything else like Benidorm and Terravieja. It's just perfect. Some lovely restaurants down here by the port to come and enjoy. To have a coffee. This little wander around the marina. This is very close to where I show you all these property tours. Hope you liked it. If you'd like me to do more videos like this, let me know and I'll put some more out. Okay, see you again next time and take care.